Now we're going to create the extrusion pattern that we find on the side of the main portion of the gun. If we go back to the front view and dial back the model opacity, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. It's this extrusion pattern right here, this raised area. If we go over to Photoshop, you'll see it very clearly. It's this area here. And I'm going to accomplish this first off by masking that area out. I'm going to try and do this using group loops, which will cut an edge loop around just the area that I have polygrouped. I'll mask and polygroup this, cut an edge loop around it, and then extrude it out. So that's the approach that I want to take to this particular area. So I'll begin just by masking, and I'll luckily be able to use a masking marquee here for this portion because it's just a big rectangle. And we'll undo that. I made that a little too big. Go to the mask pen. Sharpening the mask, and then I'm going to unmask a little bit from the top here. I feel it went in a little too deep. Okay, I'm going to go to a different view now and just check this mask. This area is going to be problematic for me. I don't like how jagged and strange that is, so I'm going to go to the mask lasso. Let's try and sharpen that line just by lassoing it up. This one as well. And that's not quite going to work, so I'll undo those. Well, actually I won't undo. I'm just going to position this and then I'll try and use a masking marquee just to get a straight line there. Back to our masking marquee, and I've got the little rectangle that I need to do here that I need to unmask. Okay. So I'm getting a little jagged down here on this area. I'm not quite comfortable with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear that mask and I'm going to add a subdivision level and see if that creates a sharper mask in that area. And that sure does, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. So I'll go back to the front view. I'm just going to need to recreate the mask area up here. Going back to the reference view here, and I just want to trim down this top just a tiny bit. There we go. Alright, I'll save my work now.